Magandang hapon po ng October 12, 2024 Saturday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng October 12, 2024 Saturday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng Saturday, October 12, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. 'See you again later' for 9 PM draw result of Grand Lotto 655, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for October 12, 2024 Saturday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 is 53 million pesos and Lotto 642 jackpot price estimates is 37 million pesos for Saturday, October 12, 2024. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for October 12, 2024 Saturday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.